Exercise 21.5. Question number 1. Express each of these relationships as a rate in simplest form. Part A, 12 kilograms for $5. So rate is going to be 12 kgs divided by $5. So which will give us 2.4 kgs per $1. Okay. Part B, 120 liters for 1000 kilometer. That means 120 liters for 1000 kilometers. And simplifying them, we can have 0.12 liters per kilometer. So for liter, let me write it down like 0.12 liter per kilometer. Okay, for this, let me clarify how we have done it. We are having three zeros over here, and in this case, the decimal is there at the end. So we need to shift the decimal 3 digits to the left, first digit, second digit, and third digit. So the decimal is going to be placed here before 1. So that is the answer to part B. Now part C, dollar 315 for 3 nights. So simplifying it, we can have dollar 105 for 1 night or per night. Part D, 5 kilometers in 20 minutes, which can be written as 5 kilometer divided by 20 minutes. Simplifying it, we get 1 by 4 kilometer per minute. So this 1 by 4, that is actually the quarter, 0.25 kilometers per 1 minute. Okay. So that is actually the rate as I explained earlier. Now it's part E, 135 students for 5 teachers. So the rate is going to be 135 students divided by 5 teachers. Simplifying it, we get 27 students per teacher, per one teacher. So that is the rate. And then part F, 15 hours spent per 5 holes dug. So the rate is going to be 15 hours divided by 5 holes. That gives us 3 hours per hole dug. So that is question number 1. Now it's question number 3. Question number 2. A quarry produces 1200 tons of crushed stone per hour. How much stone could it supply in an 8-hour shift? how much stone. That means we need to find out the mass. Okay. So for that, we need to have the rate. And one thing I need to specify here, the quantity to be found out, that is to be kept in the numerator. Quantity to be found, that has to be in the numerator. And the second quantity should be there in the denominator. That is the rate. Okay, now for part B, since we need to find out how much mass of the stone could it supply in an 8-hour shift. So mass, we need to place it in the numerator, which would be 1200 tons divided by 8 hours. Simplifying this, we get 4 twos are 4 300s are and 150 tons per hour. Since that shift is of 8 hours, so we need to multiply this rate by 8. 8 times 150 tons per hour. So simplifying it, we can have it for one shift of containing 8 hours. Okay.